What if I told you? The future of electric performance just punched a hole through the sound barrier. And it sounds like a V8? Yeah, you heard that right. Meet the Mercedes-AMG GT XX Concept, a 1,340 horsepower electric monster from Affalterbach that doesn't whisper into the EV world. It screams in simulated V8 thunder. Let's be real, AMG's hybrid four-banger didn't exactly set the world on fire. The critics yawned, the fans wept. Even AMG's own CEO admitted, yeah, maybe we fumbled that one. But now, AMG isn't pulling punches anymore. The GT 2020 concept is here to make a statement, and that statement is, you want power? Fine, we'll melt the pavement. With 1,340 horsepower, 800-volt architecture, and a top speed of 223 miles per hour, this thing doesn't just chase the Lucid Air Sapphire and Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, it's gunning to eat their lunch. And it's not just numbers. This car is dripping in theater. The front looks like a catfish that just saw the bill, but painted in that legendary C111 orange, and it becomes unmistakably Mercedes. And the wheels? Get this. Carbon fiber aero panels that open and close automatically for cooling or speed, powered by the kinetic energy of the wheels themselves. No battery drain, just genius. Inside, you sit in GT 3-spec carbon buckets, padded with custom cushions based on your body scan. The trim, made from used race tires. That's not style, that's a flex. Underneath all that drama is pure German engineering chaos. 3 electric motors, planetary gear sets, oil cooling, a decoupling front axle, and a proprietary battery that charges at 850 kilowatts. Yeah, that's almost 250 miles of juice in 5 minutes. But let's not forget the main event. V8 noises. In an EV, AMG says, this is the best V8 they've ever developed. And it's simulated. Dual loudspeakers in the headlights send shockwaves of performance nostalgia around the car. Paddle shifters suggest a simulated gearbox. This thing isn't just an EV, it's a show. Is it going into production? Probably not exactly as shown. But make no mistake, the GT20 is a neon-lit blueprint of what AMG's future looks like. It's not soft, it's not silent, and it's not playing safe. This is the return of emotion, fury, and unfiltered chaos, powered by electrons and wrapped in carbon. This isn't just the future of AMG. This is AMG reminding the world that electric can still be absolutely insane. And if this is just the concept, buckle up. The storm is coming.